Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Today's video will be focusing on the DexBox, which is a dexterity assessment tool patented by Hearing Healthcare Centre. Hearing aids are not one-size-fits-all devices. They're custom products made specifically for an individual's hearing loss. An audiologist will take several things into account when selecting the optimal solution, including the patient's hearing levels, ear health, technological requirements, social life, and general lifestyle. Loss of dexterity is generally caused by normal age-related loss of motor function, though other health conditions such as Parkinson's disease and arthritis can also worsen dexterity. No matter the underlying cause, they all affect a person's ability to manipulate small objects, and in particular, hearing aids. Dexterity is something new hearing aid users often overlook, though it's a very important factor when choosing from several different hearing aid styles. A key example of this would be the Moxie Now, a hearing aid by Unitron. The Moxie Now is praised for being the world's smallest receiver in the canal hearing aid, and measures in around the size of your common blueberry. Naturally, for patients who struggle with dexterity in the manipulation of small objects, even small tasks such as changing the hearing aid's battery or wax guard may become a problem. So what is the DexBox? The DexBox is the first invention of its kind, created and patented by Hearing Healthcare Centre. It has been designed and purpose-built to allow audiologists and hearing care professionals to assess a client's dexterity prior to being prescribed a hearing aid, and can be used throughout the client journey to monitor any dexterity issues. Designed with dexterity in mind, the DexBox is a handheld cuboid tool, with each face holding a hearing aid-related dexterity task. 3 faces contain functional battery doors, which are found on almost all hearing aids. Popping the door open can be a problem to begin with, but the main struggle is usually fitting the battery in the door the right way. There are 3 battery doors on the DexBox, one for size 10, one for size 312, and finally for size 13 hearing aid batteries. If you'd like to know more about hearing aid batteries, click at the top of the screen now to be taken to our dedicated hearing aid batteries video. On another face, we have a variety of drilled holes which represent hearing aid receivers and tubes. This face allows clients to test their dexterity when it comes to changing wax guards, as wax guards can often be quite small and tedious. Again, we've got a dedicated video to changing wax guards, which you can click at the top of the screen now. Many in-the-ear hearing aids contain vents which allow air to pass freely into the ear. Over time, these vents can become blocked, and clients need to know how to clean them, which is usually done with a long and thin thread of plastic. So that users can test their dexterity with vents, we've got a dedicated vent on the DexBox which clients can attempt to pass a thread through. Furthermore, certain types of hearing aids have volume control dials, as well as small buttons which change programs. These are of course also on the DexBox, which essentially completes the hearing aid package. A device like this really makes a difference in the clinical world of audiology, where gauging a client's ability both in terms of hearing and dexterity is of utmost importance. We've still got plenty of ideas for future versions of the DexBox, and will continue to develop the design. In our own clinic, it's already proving to be an essential tool. As mentioned, it not only allows us to assess a client's dexterity firsthand on the initial appointment, but also allows us to systematically keep tabs on any ongoing dexterity problems. Also, if a client struggles with a particular task such as cleaning a vent, we can bring them in and show them the best method using the DexBox. So that just about wraps up this video on the DexBox. We hope you found this video interesting, and please stay tuned for more news. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.